Imagine this. You are the manager of a popular clothing store and you have just wrapped up a massive summer sale campaign. Your store was buzzing with customers all weekend and now you are back in your office analyzing the sales data. At first glance, the raw sales number looked impressive. Racks of clothes sold, cash register ringing non-stop. But here's the catch. Just seeing the total sale doesn't tell you the full story. You want to know how much better your sales were compared to last week. Was the campaign truly a success or did it just match last year's number? Maybe you're curious if your new marketing strategy is helping certain product categories outperform others. You quickly realize you need more than just totals. You need percentage change to pinpoint the spikes and dips in your sales. It's your secret weapon to spot trends, identify what worked and what didn't, and confidently plan your next big campaign. Hey there, I'm Ansh from KnowHow Academy. In today's video, we're going to learn how to calculate percentage change in Tableau using real-life dataset. We are going to take our superstore dataset and by the end, you will know how to do that. In this video, we will cover apply a quick table calculation for percentage change in Tableau and understand how Tableau automatically calculate percentage changes. And we also see adjust the Tableau calculation for your specific needs. And finally, how to format your results so they are easy to read and interrupt. So let's dive right in and start making your data work for you. So here's our data, a retail store with sales across different categories. Okay, so I will take my order data set here and go to my sheet 1. So here's my data set that will cover columns like date, sales, order date, quantity and category. But today we are focusing on sales because we want to know how much our sales have increased or decreased over time. Now let's talk about percentage change. Imagine this, you're running a trendy coffee shop in the heart of the city. Yesterday, your barista whispered up 100 lattes, but today the aroma of freshly brewed coffee attracts even more, customers, and you sold 120 lattes. That's great news. But here's the real question. How much better did you do today compared to yesterday? Now, you could celebrate, say, yeah, we sold 20 more lattes. But as a smart owner, you want more insight. Was today's jump significant? Should you double down on the morning happy hours or tweak your marketing strategy? That's where Tableau, percentage change comes in. It's like the ultimate performance tracker for your business. It doesn't just tell you the increase in sales, it tells you how much you improve relative to yesterday. Let me break down the math with the coffee shop example. Let's do the math for your latte sales. Yesterday's sales was 100 lattes. Today's sales was 120 lattes. Find the difference. Subtract, yesterday's sales from today's. Is like 120 minus 100 should be 20. Then now divide by yesterday's sales is like 100 divided by 20 is like 0.2. Now multiply by 100 to get the percentage. It should be 20%. So your sales increased by 20% today. It's kind of hectic to do the math by your own. But in Tableau, it will be easy for you. Now imagine applying the same calculation to your business sales over time. How much better was last week compared to the week before? With your seasonal sale outcome last year's? In Tableau, calculating and visualizing percentage change is as easy as brewing the perfect cup of coffee. Let's dive in and see how to do step by step with real data. Let me show you how we can do this in Tableau. I'm going to walk you through step by step so you can easily replicate this. First, we need our basic setup like drag. What we need to do is we need to go and find the order date. So here's my order date. Now, just drag the order date to the column shelves. I will take it and drag it to the column shelves. So it will show me 2014, 15, 16 and 70 are the dates I have. Now, I need to find the sales shelf. So here's my sales field. I need to drag into the row shelf. I take it and take it to the row shelf here. So it created a line chart for me. Let me make it wider so you will take it perfectly. Yeah, it make a line chart for me that's showing sales over time. Step 2 is apply the percentage difference that quick table calculation. Let's start with relatable example. Imagine you're managing a fitness app that tracks daily setup counts for users. Yesterday, you logged 10,000 steps, but today you hit an impressive 12,000 steps. Naturally, you're curious by what percentage did your steps increase? Insight doesn't just help you track progress, it motivates you to keep improving. Similarly, in Tableau, calculating percentage changes can help you track growth trends, identify dips, and uncover actionable insights. Now, let's dive into Tableau and see how to calculate this percentage change step by step. So, what we're gonna do is for that, for visualize sales over time, we need to drag date to the column cell as we have already done it. So, it making a line chart for you. For now, accessing the quick table calculation, we need to go and right click on some sales, and here in some sales you will see quick table calculation field. Here is the quick table calculation field. In that it has differences, percent differences. What we need to do is we need to click on percentage difference. So I will click on percent difference. So boom, Tableau work its magic and transform your raw sales data into percentage changes compared to the previous data. What's happening behind the scene? When you choose percent difference, Tableau automatically calculation. For example, if your sales went from $100 to $120, Tableau subtract $100 yesterday sales from $120 today sales. Then it divide the differences like $20 by $100. Then it's gonna multiply by 100 to display the percentage like 20%. So if you see, if I drag it here, show me the year data 2016. It has the difference in sales of 29.47. For that, it will easy for me to guess it. But why it's so useful? Now, instead of just looking at raw sales number, you can see trends at a glance. But where did its sales spikes? Where did they dip? What patterns are emerging over time? For example, you might notice a 50% increase on Saturday, time to run more weekend promotions, or maybe 10% dip on 2016. A perfectly opportunity for 2017 campaign for you guys. Now, for double check your setup, we are not done yet. Let's make sure your everything is working perfectly. For that, we need to check the scope for it. Tableau is comparing each day to the previous day by default, but you can customize it by right click on the sales field. I will right click on my sales field, and here by go to edit the table calculation. Here's my table calculation. I'll click on it. While clicking, then ensure the calculation is set to table across. Adjust it based on your data structure. So it is already shown that it being adjusted by table across. Now what we need to do is when you done with comparing each day by table across or adjust this based on your data structure. Now we're gonna add labels to make it easier to read. Just go to sum of sales, press control, and take it as in the label. So in label, it show me that in year of 2016, it label as 29.4%, and in year of 2015, it's like minus 2.83, and in year of 2017, it should be 20.36% of sales difference is here. For make it more visual, I'm going to add in colors. I will go and take a control, press control, and drag it to the colors. Now, see the dipping points it's showing in the little yellowish color, and the rising point is showing in a blue color. From there, you can set up the color edit if you want to. That if I go here and format, in the format here, you can change it by your own, that in which color do you want to do in. From that, your ability to expand, find the percentage difference of which field has the dipping and which field is getting higher these years. From that, I guess you are getting it what is the percentage difference in Tableau does really mean. So let's recap what we have done in this video. We have seen that how to add a percentage difference in sales column. We also see how to check the format of percentage date column, and we also see how to format our visualization that looks perfectly for your dashboard. I hope you get everything from the percentage difference video. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your source of your IT knowledge. We're always here to help you to navigate you to the tech world.